Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another Steam Boss video. So today we have a little bit of a different one for you guys. We're actually gonna be doing some VCT today. We're gonna be doing a recoat on this floor, well, right here. So it's a pretty big job today. We're gonna be here all day, but this floor is in need of a little bit of TLC. It looks pretty good on camera, but in person it is very scratched up. So first thing we're gonna do is move all of this stuff out of the way. We're gonna give this a nice scrub down and put a few coats of finish on it. And I'm gonna take you guys along today for the process, show you guys how it turns out. But before we get started today, if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, throwing this video a thumbs up, we really appreciate it. We just recently crossed over 100 subscribers, which is pretty awesome. Now on our way to 1,000. I'm gonna save you guys the time and agony of watching us move all this stuff. And there you go. So I think I misspoke anyway. In the previous clip, I called this VCT. It's actually Terrazzo. I don't know, I had VCT on my brain, but this is a Terrazzo flooring that we are just going to be scrubbing and then recoating. Now, normally you would want to clean and polish this. That is kind of the right way to do it, but in this circumstance, this is what the customer wants. They don't want to spend too much, so this is what we're gonna offer them, and it's still gonna turn out really good, but it should technically be polished. But there we go, we got everything out of the way. That took a lot longer than I thought. We got some help over here today, some new faces, some behind the scenes people. If you see all of our stuff on our Facebook page.
That's me.
She's behind it.
Woohoo! I'm the dad today.
Yeah. So we're gonna bring in all our stuff and get to cleaning. All right, so we got the solution down. It's turning out pretty good already. Will's working it in over here. Just using a green pad for this. It seems to be working out all right. Got Becky rinsing over there. And I'll give you guys a better update once we get this whole section done. And we'll see how different it looks even without putting the finish on yet. So, I'm not sure how well this is really gonna show up on camera, but we haven't done obviously anything over here yet. Not on camera, this has kind of a yellowy tinge to it, which is what they mainly wanted to get rid of. So, but yeah, so the floor section over here is a lot whiter and brighter in person. There's no finish on this floor yet. We just did a first rinse on it, but yeah, she's looking good so far. All right, you've never run a buffer before, so now's your opportunity. Okay. Since you're in the middle of no man's land here. It's not even hard. If you gotta work a Steam Boss, you gotta at least know how to run a buffer. All right, where's the on switch? Give her the rundown.
Trigger, but first you gotta undo the lock while you're squeezing the trigger.
Which is the trigger? Both?
Yeah, it doesn't matter, but you gotta undo the lock while you're doing it.
Yeah, and you do both at the same time, so you have to undo this and then hold the things, but you have to try to balance it, because if you don't do anything, it's just gonna keep going.
Oh, how do you turn it off?
You just have to lever the thing up and down.
All right, let's see how good you do.
I'm stepping way back.
Hang on. Where's
You gotta squeeze the thing up first with your finger.
She's fired.
This?
Get a thumb on this and push it up.
Oh my god!
Okay, all right, no, push the handle. Let go.
I told her you know how to do this. They're mean, everybody.
You move the handle and it'll.
All right, try it again.
You know what I mean?
Up first, don't push. Yeah, there you go.
All right, now, yeah, there you go.
Oh,
Now push the handle the other way that you're doing it, and you should be able to just keep it in one spot.
Here, watch this, watch.
Oh, he's a pro showing me how to do it.
You only need one hand.
They make this look easy.
If you do the floor, that's going to be one circle that's done, and the rest of it's not. See, you already got the hang of it. It wasn't hard at all. She was all worried.
Look at, I'm a pro. I'm a pro.
You're a pro. There you go. All right, that concludes. Well,
Not quite.
Not quite, but that concludes today's tutorial.
Come on, round of applause.
Round of applause for Becky.
Woo!
Go follow her YouTube,
Yeah!
her Instagram, link in the description below this video, and subscribe to our channel, of course. All right, quick update for you guys. So I'm here doing the final rinse before we put the finish on. I think it turned out really good. So still have to rinse over there, but yep, you can see we got it drying up over on that side, but all the yellow kind of tinge or haze, whatever you want to call it, is now pretty much gone. So Looks pretty good. I think they're really happy with this. So with this job, we actually have to do that carpet as well. So we actually have to move all that stuff back on the floor and do the carpeting. So that should be fun, right?
The next day.
All right, guys, so all the finish has been put on the floor. It is the next day because we had to let this dry overnight. So I figured I would just catch up with you guys today when we come back here too. Well, we gotta move all this stuff and we're going to do that carpet as well. So here you go. That's pretty much gonna end this one. I'm not really gonna film us doing the carpets because that's pretty standard stuff. So we're just gonna move all this stuff back, knock out those carpets, and I think they're gonna be very happy with the way the floor turned out. So again, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you guys are new. We just crossed over 100 subscribers a little bit ago, so next stop is 1,000. So we really appreciate all your support. If you guys are looking for our services, check out all of our social media links in the description below. And as usual, we'll see all you guys on the next video. Peace.